Hello, this was back in January 2026, and I just ate breakfast alone and then went to the train station and then arrived in Covent Garden. Covent Garden. After watching Mamma Mia, I just went into the bookstore kasi umuulan pa, and then I ate dinner in Jollibee. So, nag-order lang ako ng beef steak and peach mango pie with burger and drinks. The next day is breakfast na naman mag-isa, tapos wala akong plans actually today, so nakapag-decide ako habang naglalakad na magpunta ng British Museum. Pero paglabas ko ng Oxford Street, Zara agad, so side trip pa ako sa Zara, and may mga sale, so I got this brown jacket, and then ayan, walking na talaga sa main agenda. Wow! British Museum. Welcome to London, Kuya!
Thank you.
One nachos. And two.
Any allergies, madam? Food allergies?
Hello!
Hello.
We are walking to the Buckingham Palace and then Big Ben next. This is the Buckingham sa likod namin. Tapos ito yung kanilang fountain. Tapos Lakad na tayo papunta ng Big Ben. Alvin, Big Ben na yung harap ko. And we're walking. Fix yung hair. My painting in flesh. Vlogging. Ayun na yung red na boot. Smile! Yay! Big Ben. Ang haba ng pila para sa telephone booth. Para makita ang ano, Big Ben at telephone booth. Yeah, in one frame. Ice cream. Ice cream.
I just want one. Sorry, one.
Kita? Okay. Oy! May pa... Video. Oo.
Yes, my friend, that was you.
Dito na tayo. What if may makita tayo ng artista dito pero hindi natin alam na artista siya kasi... Ala, KFC! Kinsa?
Ito ganun yung kuan. Si Ganda of sa...
Kulang nag-play ng music. We are now in Chinatown.
Hi!
Eh, naghahanap kami ng Anli.
Hey!
Anli book. Alam, may chat time! Atake! Oh, na-miss ko ang chat time. Pero parang hindi. Yan yun. Yan yun. Alright. Ito. Ano, ito yung amoy ng China. Tapos na kami Chinatown.
Dan Buffet!
Dan Buffet. Na nag-ano na, mag-digest na siya mamaya. Mahabang lakaran pa. You gotta Harry Potter store sa likod. Let's get it. The goal is to come in without nothing. Without buying anything. Unsa na? Ay, si Stitch. Hala, ang cute nito, oh. Winnie the Pooh. Nice ang texture. Ate, where are you? Korean store. Ay, ito yun, oh. Ha. Wala na. Back in Pandora.